Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set up Windows backup on your DELL Inspiron 353O laptop. So first of all, we're going to have to open the Start menu and go to Settings. Here, go to Accounts section on the sidebar, and then scroll down to Windows Backup. Here in Windows Backup, we're going to have to first verify our identity to synchronize our passwords. So let's click Verify right here, and then use email verification method. This way, we will receive an email with a code that you're going to have to enter in the following window. So let me just quickly see the code, and I will enter it right away. Then press Enter to confirm and wait until your account is verified. Now, to synchronize applications, switch this toggle to the right. And to synchronize your preferences, switch this one to the right. And besides, you can also expand the preferences menu and select which ones you want to back up right here. And now let's go to the folders. So click Manage next to Manage Sync Settings next to OneDrive Folder Syncing, and select all the folders that you want to back up. So for example, the first three, and click Save Changes, and the backup will begin. Now, to start the backup itself, we're going to have to return to the home screen, then scroll down to the cloud storage, go to PC backup right here. Then here we can see what we are backing up. Then click Continue and wait until the backup is finished. Okay, and so backed up is finished partially, except so everything is backed up besides settings. So I think at this point we can close this window, and then if you also want to back up your settings, if you didn't succeed backing them up too, then just retry this process. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.